It's all about burning desire, isn't it? No matter where you are, what kind of circumstances you are in, there is no stopping you if you know exactly what you're doing and why you're doing. And it's a mere reflection of your burning desire. And how do you test it? How do you test your potential? How do you know whether you have a burning desire or a passion towards what you're doing? Just test yourself under extreme climatic conditions. Test yourself under a variety of conditions. Keep yourself constantly challenged and you'll know what exactly is your burning desire and what exactly are you passionate about. Let me quote skiing as an example. We all enjoy watching skiing as a sport, skiing championships. They go at greater speeds, jump at higher altitudes. It's enjoyable to watch. But you know how extreme the sport is? I tried personally skiing a few days ago and the gear itself was very heavy. The skiing pads, boots, helmet, whatnot, they're very heavy, and on top of it you have to manage them, carry them to a required destination and then start skiing. Then why do people do it? It's because of the burning desire. It's because of the passion towards the sport. You watch skiing championships, you'll know how the people are. They are dedicated towards what they're doing, even in these extreme climatic conditions, and on top of it, the players have to be adjusted, or they have to accustom themselves to extreme climatic conditions, usually below 0 degrees centigrade. So what does it mean? It's all about burning desire. You know exactly what you're doing, why you're doing, you have passion towards your work, you have the deep sense of burning desire, there is no stopping you.